In today's video, I will walk you through how to forward multiple emails in Gmail. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along, and let's get started. First, open Gmail and go to your inbox, or the folder where the emails you want to forward are located. Now, select the emails you want to send. You can do this by clicking the checkbox next to each message. Take your time to select all of the emails that you want to include.
Once you've selected the messages, look at the toolbar at the top of Gmail. Click the three-dot More menu to see additional options. From the menu, select Forward as Attachment. Gmail will now create a new email with the selected messages attached. Instead of forwarding each email separately, Gmail places the selected messages into the new email as individual email attachments.
A Compose window will appear. In the To field, enter the email address of the person you want to receive the messages. You can also add a subject to the new email if Gmail doesn't automatically provide one. If you want, you can add a short message in the body of the email. When everything looks correct, click Send. Gmail will send the new email with all of the selected messages attached. The recipient can then open the attached emails individually to view their contents.
This method is especially useful when you need to share several related messages, such as a series of conversations, receipts, work emails, or other information. If you don't see the Forward as Attachment option, make sure you've selected multiple emails before opening the three-dot menu. Keep in mind that the attached email files are still separate messages. Forwarding them together doesn't combine their contents into one long email.
And there you go. No more endless forwarding loops. If this video saved you some time, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips.